Hello guys, how are you all? Okay, today is the day. I just completed my 3 shoots today and I'm so much tired. However, I am really loving this look. I don't want to remove this look, so I thought to light this makeup and I'll be going to where? Do you know where? Okay. On my birthday, I bought some products from Lifestyle and Zara, and I don't want that anymore, so I want to change it. So today I'm going with my sister. So please tell me in the comment section below if you really like this makeup and should I do it more often. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
See, it says I survived lockdown 2020 and I really liked it. How about this? Bitch boss. I really like these cool t-shirts, you know. How about this? How about this? Will they ask me to open it? Can I open it? Oh yes, I did. I did open it. But it says Smile World. I'm so confused. Okay, here we are with, it says, I hate you. I love Ginger, you know. Ginger has so cool t-shirts. I hate and love you. Do we have in my size? I don't know. L, M, I don't know. I seriously don't know. Who's gonna help me? I do not know. I really like this. I survived 2020. How much is the cost? Let's see. 600. Guys, I am in a lifestyle right now and I'm so confused what to buy and what to buy not. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा यार क्या खरीदूँ and I'm all alone. So tough for me. I hope कोई पसंद आ जाए. I'll catch you. Bye. Okay guys, so here is the thing. After wandering for 1 hour, I finally got my products and I returned it, and now I'm so fucking tired. I'm so tired guys, and see, I got it and it's almost 8:45 and I'm going to home now, and my mother is gonna be so angry because it took me so much time, you know. I lost my refund number, and they literally took so much time for the process. You have to mail, you have to do everything. So in that case, trust me, when you go to Lifestyle, do not forget your refund number, otherwise you will be stuck forever. yeah, that's all from my guys. That's all from today. And now I'm going to go. Now I'm going to home. Okay. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be linking everything down below. Okay guys, so I am at my home right now. I just had my dinner. And do you really want to see what I got? Okay, let me show you. Where's my bag? Mama, give me my bag. Bag पकड़ाना.
उसके सामने शॉपिंग डालेगी तो लोग देख के पिटेंगे हैं अब जो तू बोला काम ही मत करो.
Okay. The first thing that I would like to show you is the top, which was on sale for flat 70% off, and I have always wanted to buy that color because recently I'm so obsessed with lilac color. If you are, then please let me know. I'm so obsessed with it, and right now it's too hot, so I wanted to have something, you know, t-shirt, cool t-shirt. My phone is टूट गया लगता है.
क्या टूट गया क्या टूटा अब
Let me see. मेरा फोन गिर गया.
क्या पागल बन रही है.
बच गया फोन, मम्मी बच गया. Okay, so this is the cover I got. It says "Oh Nari, so sanskari." I'm so obsessed with it. Okay, so let me show you what I got. I'm gonna display it to you. Okay, ऐसे ऐसे करके डिस्प्ले कर दूंगी मैं आप लोगों को. So are you guys ready? Okay guys, so this is what I got. This is the lilac color, and this is for I think flat 70% off. When I saw it, I was like, I really needed to buy. So I got it in XL size, and this is from Ginger. And this was of 899 rupees, and I got it in 269 rupees or something. So see, it says fizzy soda moment unstoppable. Okay, so this is what I got. This is amazing, and I always wanted this color. Okay, moving on to the next product I bought. Okay, so this is one I got. This is another one. Actually, the thing was that I got something for my birthday. However, I wanted to change it because it was from Only brand and it was quite expensive, so I wanted to go for some cheap, you know, where I can wear anytime in this hot summer. So I got this from Jealous 21 in same XL size, and it says perfect vibes. And I am so obsessed with tie-dye. If you have seen me, if you have seen my Instagram, you'll get to know that I have got tie-dye hoodies, tie-dye tops from Shein, and unfortunately Shein is no more. So I am actually exploring the other ways where I can get cheap stuff for myself. So this is the second one I got, and this was for 899 rupees. And the next one, which is the last one, I'm gonna show. Tan-tan-tan! Okay, so this is the another tie-dye, and I think I have seen it somewhere, I think on Instagram page or somewhere. And this is the second tie-dye, and it's so beautiful. And the best thing is that the fabric is so soft, and it doesn't feel that you are wearing something, trust me. And it's also from the Jealous 21. Jealous, I'm so jealous, you know. And it's in XL size, same price, 899 rupees. And this is what I got it from Lifestyle Subhash Nagar. You can get it anywhere. The best thing I liked about this is the color. This color, and this color. Yeah. Okay, so this was it. It was a very short trip to Subhash Nagar Lifestyle. I didn't buy so much, but yes, I replaced it with the one I bought for my birthday. So yeah, that's it. So if you really like to watch more videos about it, about the haul, or any suggestions will be welcome. Please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm new, but yes, I want you to join me and my journey, and let's connect each other on Instagram. Instagram link is in the description below. Good night, bye, love you.